Here we at greatfurnituredeal.com to talk to you today about a La-z-boy chair. Now, La-z-boy parts, let's just preface this really quick. La-z-boy parts are just expensive. Unfortunately, that's just the way that it is. They have a lot of unique things on them that are different than other chairs, and so therefore prices are just higher. So before we say anything about a La-z-boy part, just know we can get you parts, we can help you there. They're just expensive. But they are good chairs, they're good product. So we're going to talk a little bit about some of the things that work on them, how they work, and what you can replace. So this right here is a Liberty Lift Chair. What you'll notice is it has the remote controller. This chair's got a lot going on. It's got the lift, it's got individual back recline, individual leg rest recline, it's got the power headrest, and it has lumbar support. So that's where it has all these buttons. So first thing is if for some reason your chair is not working, usually on these chairs, the remote's the first thing that goes. They get a lot of use, they get banged up, they get sat on, they get dropped. And of course, when that happens, these things can easily break. So we want to show you really quickly how to replace it so you know what to do. This one actually is pretty simple. If you follow this cord down, you come in here, you'll see right here, there's just a little snap connection. And this one's we've kind of pulled out. Usually it's stuck in there a little bit more, but if you pull it out, it has this connection here. So if you need a new remote, this is what we sell. And you can contact us on the back. There's a tag that lets you know what the part number is. You can take a picture of that, send it to us, and take a picture of the front so we know exactly which one it is. There's a couple of these that look very similar, but the configuration is a bit different, and they are a different remote. They're not interchangeable. So you need to make sure you get the remote. So that's the first one, is the remote, and it's really simple to plug in. You just basically match it up here, plug it in, snap it closed. That's all you got to do to replace the remote. So simple to do. If you need to replace it, really easily done. We can handle that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to flip this chair up, and we'll show you what it is on the other side. The other things are the power supply and the motors. They actually have a junction box inside of this one and some other conversion cables. So we'll talk a little bit about those when we flip the chair.